Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and today I'll show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen, and then in here you can swipe down again. This will extend the list of toggles so you can swipe down on them, and somewhere here you should be able to find the power saving mode or battery saver as it is named. Once you see this toggle, you can simply tap on it. It gives you a pop-up that battery saver turns on dark theme, restricts background activity, and delays notifications. And click on OK to turn it on, and that's it. So that's how you enable your power saving mode. Now once you're done with it and you want to turn it off, just find the toggle once again, tap on it once more, and this reverts all the changes. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.